Hello everyone, welcome to Selenium. Today's topic is right click. Right click or context click is used when menu opens on right click, special options appear on right click, applications provide context specific actions. Normal Selenium click cannot simulate right click. To perform right click, Selenium provides context click through actions class, which simulate real mouse behavior. This is common in admin panels, file managers, table grids, enterprise applications. In the sample script, if you see, I am locating the element. This element shows on right click. This particular element shows on right click. Normal click won't open the menu. Now I am using the actions class to perform this right click. Then the context menu is displayed successfully. If I run the script, then you will have better understanding. First, login page is loaded. Once the user login is successful, it will try to find contacts and right click on that particular contacts. See, it has right click. So right click executed successfully. I will close the application. Let me recap again. Right click simulates real mouse behavior. Context menu require actions class. Use context click only when UI supports it. This is how right click is handled using action class in Selenium.